This is a Bushgor K600G Rangefinder. And we had some trouble with it. It wasn't charging. Trying to get the USB Type-C cable in the port to charge, and for some reason the port or the connector was too far in there, and we it wouldn't really connect. So I looked on YouTube, and someone else had taken a Bushnell rangefinder apart, and so it's kind of similar, but it's different. And if you wanted to open it up, if you go to the right side, if you turn it around, I've got it plugged in. I'm leaving it plugged in because I don't want to lose that charge. If you peel the rubber back, you'll see access to screw on the bottom, and if you peel this back, you'll have access to, you'll have two screws down here on the bottom and one screw up here. I went ahead and peeled it all the way off, and this one I had to go halfway. Some really small Phillips screws. You'll need a small Phillips screwdriver to take 1, 2, 3 screws apart, and then you've got to try to open it up a little bit. Either stick a screwdriver in somewhere and start prying it open, and you can basically open up halfway. I didn't open it up all the way, I just opened it up enough and took that screw out too. Opening it up to check out the circuit board that this was plugged into. For some reason it wasn't in its position, but as I opened it up, I could see how that circuit board, a little square circuit board, had on both sides. It was supposed to slide into each side, but I don't know how it got out of it or whatever, but was able to get the circuit board back into each side, and then I could close it up. Well, while it was open, I pushed my cord in, my USB Type-C cable in, and then I closed everything back up. And we'll have to glue these rubber covers back on with some type of glue. I've got some shoe glue I'm going to try, and just put, it looks like a very thin type of glue. Wasn't real, it was pretty strong, but I don't know what kind of glue it was. But I'll have to glue that back on so that it will be able to engage these buttons down here. So I don't know if that'll help you, but there was nothing on YouTube about how to take a Bushgor rangefinder apart. So even though this isn't much, it's something, and it might help you to take yours apart for whatever reason. And here's the stats. Bushgor K600G, and the charging cable is a USB to USB-C or Type C cable. I got them off of Amazon, regular USB, and then this is a Type C. Plugs in there, and it looks like it's going to be red until it's fully charged, and then it'll go out. But it'll last a long time. So anyway, there you go, for whatever it's worth.